I've known about PEMF for a couple years. I've read about it, and I guess it was introduced to the Pulse Center's PEMF when I was in the Las Vegas Parker seminar, and I got to touch and feel one for the first time. I had never been on one or never experienced one, and it was definitely an experience that, I felt jazzed and energized, and I don't know, I just had to have one really. And just because I knew what it could do, or I knew what it potentially could do just from reading things, but to touch and feel it for myself was just, the confirmation as to, why I had to have it. We have a busy practice, so we've got, I guess, 5 doctors that work with us, and so it's a fairly busy practice, and helping as many people as you can is really what it's all about.